All right, on February 10th, I stopped at my buddy's Aaron Sockwell shop, Wheel Restore USA. They sell wheel repair equipment. I went there with a couple of bent wheels and mostly just to check them out, but see if we might be able to salvage one that was really bent. All right, this is a wheel I crashed in 2014. It's a little egged, 150-mile-an-hour crasher with a ladder. See if we can get it fixed. A little hydraulic ram, stretching the wheel back out. It moves quite a bit. Working it. 50 gears. Nice. That's cool. Alright, second wheel. It's within spec. It's a little wonky, but that's fine. You won't feel that driving, right? Nope, won't feel it at all. Cool. Now, pretty impressive little machine here. We've got all sorts of machines going on. Alright, got all sorts of robots going on here. It just went and grabbed the HVLP gun. It's doing its little spray pattern. That's cool. So you put in the diameter, how many spokes, which side you want to paint it, and if you want to use rattle can,
Yeah, man. So then
or the gun. That's pretty cool.